Hello again guys, and welcome to another Mineral and Crystal and Rock and Fossil collection video. Now in front of me here is some of my rocks. Now these aren't minerals or crystals. Some of them do have crystals in them, like this one, though it's hard to see. There are tiny crystals in them. But basic thing about all these are they're all rocks. Some unusual ones too, like this one and this one. And there's some that, if I told you the name, you'd know them. This one is marble. A lot of people know marbles as small balls that you roll around. And also people know them as a stone, which is exactly what that is. I won't be going through much about these because I don't know names of a lot of rocks. So, it was a nice intro anyway. So, I hope you liked seeing the rocks. I've not got many rocks. I think there's diorite and granite maybe in there. It might be an obsidian. There are obsidian around, but there's a few random ones I don't know the name of. I know that brown unusual one there's scoria. It's not doing well focusing this phone, isn't. Anyway, I'm going to bring in some more minerals to show you all. And I'm going to show you some of these. Now this one is Blue John. You can only find Blue John in Castleton, in the High Peak district. So I went to Castleton at one point, and the piece of Blue John was there. Really nice. Then I've got this crystal here, not sure what it is, but it is quite pretty. If you know the name of that, I really want to know the name of it. Not sure what it's called, but it's pretty. We've also got this, which is Desert Rose Gypsum. Now, while I'm showing you that Desert Rose Gypsum, I'll just put these back. And I'll show you another Desert Rose Gypsum, which is this one here. And this is a big Desert Rose Gypsum. And it is very weird looking. You think it looks like a rock. It looks like it's made of normal stone. It looks like it's just unnatural. And that's because this isn't stone. It's a mineral called gypsum. Actually quite a weak mineral as well. So it's got a lot chipped off that because it's pretty weak. Anyway, we've got some interesting and colourful crystals coming up now. In this episode, some of the main stuff we've got is basically these colourful crystals. So I'm going to be showing you quite a few colourful ones today. And that would be the ones that I'm grabbing out right now. Now these are all fairly colourful. And I hope you like the look of them, because I'm going to tell you what they're called. This one is a larger piece of malachite. As you can see, it's like a small malachite, but it's a bit larger. This blue one is called kyanite. It's a very nice, pretty mineral. It's very beautiful as well. This, like the red and green versions, is yellow calcite. And for just a calcite, any types of calcite, just for a common mineral, calcite is naturally gorgeous. No matter if it's yellow, red or green or any other colour, calcite is always really pretty somehow. This one has that silky, weird, waxy, gluey texture to it. Makes it look a bit weird sometimes. It's got that unusual texture. Here's a blue calcite. So now I've looked at red, yellow, green and blue calcite, which this one is the blue version. It's got bits of a red mineral in there. I'm pretty sure it's red calcite, I don't know. I'm not sure what the specs are. I think it's red calcite. Anyway, moving on, I've got two pieces of chrysocolla. Now these are beautiful minerals. Now this chrysocolla is a nice blue, turquoise and green mineral. It's a very unique mineral too, and this is a rough version. So moving on, Got this small green crystal, one of the smallest in my collection. And it's hard to focus on. You got this nice yellow crystal, which is a type of jade, I'm pretty certain it is. Not sure what type though, because it's nice and yellow. Like, you wouldn't believe it, but this is a really nice yellow crystal. And finally, in the colourful zone, we're going to end the load of really big amount of colour now with bismuth, which is a lab-grown crystal. And it is, oh yeah, that's better. It's focused in on bismuth and it is gorgeous. Focusing on all the others too. But anyway, that was a really unusual and really fun time looking at the colourful crystals. Now, sadly, we're going to have to move on to some less colourful crystals, I'm afraid. I don't know why we have to, but we have to because they're the ones that are next. So I'm just plopping all these crystals back, including those green, that yellow one. It's nice. And I'm going to move on to showing you some others that you'll probably recognise. Well, you might recognise, you might not recognise. I've got here some more crystals. This one is Labradorite, another gift from my friend. And it is very nice. I'll try and show you the effect here. You can slightly see it being a bit rainbowish. There we go, that is beautiful, isn't it? And that's the effect of the Labradorite I've got. Now this one here is, I don't know if it's heat treated amethyst or citrine. I can never really tell the difference because people just sell heat treated amethyst as rip-offs of citrine. So always check before buying citrine, because the real deal, if you want the real deal, you've got to avoid the heat treated stuff. I'm not sure which version this is, but I'm going to put that back. And the other thing I'm going to look at now, this is a Ragonite here, and garnet. This is a darker garnet. And then I've got howlite over here, or magnetite, or one of the things like that. I don't know which one it is. I think it's the howlite. But if it's not, then just keep me in mind of that. I've got some interesting ones to end this video now. The ones from this section. This involves tiger eye and that kind of crystal, and some more jasper, including Dalmatian jasper, one that you'll probably recognise. And I'll go through these as quick as I can. Here's my Dalmatian jasper. There's two pieces here, I'm going to show you them both. There's this piece here. There's this piece here. It's not focusing very well, this phone. There we go, that piece. And that piece. Maybe, if you want to, you can vote on which one's the best, because I'm yet to decide which one the nicest, so you can vote on which one's nice too. So which one? You can also tell me in the comments which crystal you thought was the nicest and most interesting. So this one here is a spotted crystal, which I do not know the name of. It's weird and spotty it is. Anyway, some more jaspers. I'm just going to get the jaspers over and done with. These are all jaspers. This one and this one from my friend. This one I got a long time ago. It's an unusual jasper, the middle one. If it will focus, it's a very unusual looking jasper. It might focus better on this side. Come on, focus. Like, it's really unusual looking when it's focused. It looks like some kind of painted thing. Okay, it's not focusing for me very well, but it's an unusual type of jasper. So I'm going to put those back. And now I've got the tiger eye right here. Now, a lot of people will know what Tiger Eye is. It's that one crystal that a lot of people think is impressive. And it really is impressive. We've also got Red Tiger's Eye. Just here. Now, here's the last crystal I'm showing you. It's got loads of blue in it. I don't know what type of crystal blue is. It might be lapis, it might be sodalite, it might be something like that. There's also this other coloured stuff. I can't really explain the colour. It's like an orangey peachy. Now, if you know the name of this, then well done. Please post it in the comments, because I do not know what this is called. And I've looked on so many crystal guides trying to figure it out. So, if you know what this is, or maybe what the two of them is, because it looks like there's two crystals in this, just post it in the comments. And I probably won't answer, but I'll take note of it, and I'll write it down somewhere, and I might mention it in another further video about crystals. Now, I hope you all enjoyed that. That's the end of that video. And that's the end of the crystal guide videos I'm doing today. I can't do videos too long at the moment because I've not got the premium YouTube. So I'm going to think of getting that so I can make longer videos. But for now, I'm just doing it in parts. So I hope you all enjoyed, and I hope you all like that. And I'll see you again next time I do a crystal video.